Hi guys, salam. I'm so super excited making this video. It is so precious to me. It's probably one of my favorite and I hope you guys can gather inspiration from this. So the first step before thinking of all the goodies to transfer in your room is to get rid of stuff and organize. They don't have to be the hugest changes. Small things make differences. As you can see, I just cleared some space here and there and just that alone. So if you have a really messy drawer, you can easily arrange it using boxes. Do you guys see the tornado in here? And now just look at the after. Going through your closet can be a very tiring thing, and I'm going to confess, I don't do it very often. Besides that, I'm sure each one of us has a few things buried in their closet that someone else would use it rather than leaving it unknown for months and years. I've had this issue for as long as I can remember, and all you need to fix a disastrous wire situation is through a box. Simply cut a few openings, make it look aesthetically pleasing, and just arrange the wires in it. I've been sharing a room my whole life and I'm personally really grateful for my little cave now. It is just a safe space. It's a place my day starts in and my night ends in. So therefore we chose this multi-purpose day bed in which the temptation of going back to sleep during the day is avoided, and as well as using it as a comfortable sofa where I can do my work and stuff, etc. whatever. Honestly, you guys, rearranging your furniture every few months is such a refreshing feeling. I try to do it often because a transformation is usually needed for a fresh change. You don't need to buy new pieces or do a dramatic change in appearance. It could just simply be changing the places of your own furniture, and trust me, it does make a difference. And lastly, but of course not least, time to decorate. I heard from somewhere that whatever state your bedside table is in, it kind of tells about your own state. And then after I heard that, to be honest, I wanted to be in a good state all the time. So I tried to only keep what's genuinely special to me. So I stopped trashing it from the outside. However, the drawer inside, you do not want to see that yet. I've spoken about this before and I must tell you guys again that posters are so worth it. I took off my old posters because, well, to be very plain, I felt like I was growing out of it. I wanted something alive and bright, so I went with this theme, and I actually still keep adding to the collection whenever I make art. So it's basically the wall that resembles my personality, and it's just so funny. Every time someone comes into my room, they stare at them for at least 10 minutes analyzing the wall like it's some sort of a museum art piece. I do relate though. It's just a beautiful thing to look at when you wake up or when your mind's drifting off, and that is why, my friends, you need posters in your room. There's not much to explain here, you guys. Just look at the before and after, and that says it all. I'm gonna try not to come on here and tell you how important it is to have an encouraging workspace. Well, I kind of just did, but the point here is that the more your workspace produces good energy, the more you'll be motivated to study and work. As simple as that. So if you want to be excited to go do your stuff, make sure the corner you're sitting in is something biftah al-nafs, which I don't have a translation for, but yeah. The final reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you have any trick or treat tips or tricks, comment them below and see you in my next video.